array is a set of data, set of contiguous location. But linked list, you just see I've given some image here. This is one real-time example for a linked list. So what is this? So this is a train, is it not? This is a train. Okay. So a train will have, what are the parts of a train? A train will have an engine. Then you have some set of compartments like that, is it not? You have some set of compartments like that. You just relate this with your linked list. Your linked list is more or less like a train. You have some set of connectivity. Every data, it is connected to another data. First data is connected to second data is connected to third data is connected to fourth data, like that. Your data will be connected like this as the compartments in your train. Okay, so this is a real-time example which I wanted to show you. Okay, so here we are going to store our data in these things. This we call it as a node. So every individual component, we call it as a node in your linked list. For example, here this A0 is a node, A1 is a node, A2 is a node, and in this node you are going to store a data. So each node, you'll be having a data here. A1, A2, A3, you can imagine it as a data, and you have an arrow called as a pointer. In C program we have studied about pointer, is it not? So pointer, can you define what is a pointer? Can anyone define what is a pointer? Yes, pointer is the address of a variable. Okay, very good. So here this arrow is also a pointer. It will point to the, it will have this pointer, it denotes the address of the next node. Okay, so each node will have address of the next node, so that it can easily go and refer A1. Okay, so it defines the address. So similarly, A1 will have the address of A2, A2 will have the address of A3. So like that, you have a chain of nodes connected together. So A0 will have address of A1, A1 will have address of A2, A2 will have address of A3, like that. So in array, you can store only one data in one location. It's not. Array means you have only one data in one location, but in a linked list, you can have more than one data. Yeah, this A0 is your data, and this pointer is the address of the next node. So two terms or two values, you're going to pack it as a node. Okay, in linked list, you're going to pack more than one data into a single node. Both the data and the address of the next node, you're going to pack it into a single node. Okay. So here you are going to store data here inside your node along with the address. Okay, so this is structure of your node. Okay, so structure of your node, you can have both data and the link. So you have some chain of nodes. One node I have taken here. Okay, so only one node we have taken here. In one node, you can have both data and the address of the next node. Okay, so this one you just note down. You can draw it in a notebook. You can have a data and the address in your single node. So that is your node in your linked list. So similarly, you can have many nodes. 28 is a data. Similarly, I can store some 30, 40, like that. We can store and make it as a chain of nodes. So array will have continuous location, but linked list will have a chain of nodes. Okay. So I'll just show you the diagrams alone. Tomorrow we can continue the implementation. So this is one more example of your diagrammatic view. Your linked list will be like this. In array, you'll store data as 10, 20, 30. But in your linked list, you have like this. 10, it will point to 20, and then this 20, it will have the address of the node that has 30. Like that, you'll have some chain of nodes. This is an example for your linked list.